Solar ground lights are nifty inventions, and it's a good idea to invest in quality solar ground lights. Why, you may ask? Well, because they soak up the sunlight during the day and illuminate the darkest areas at night. With so many solar ground light options in the market, choosing the best ones for you could be a challenge. But we've come up with a video review of the Puncool Solar Ground Lights because we bought them, used them, and they're great with solar rechargeable batteries and durable waterproof housing. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. As we've used these lights for some time now, it's not an unboxing. But this is the box that contains a set of 8 ground lights. Let's see what's inside. First of all, there's a user manual or booklet, whatever you may call it, and it's important because it contains necessary instructions for its user. And then there are 8 disc-shaped lights. Each of these lights is inside bubble packaging for added protection. Inside each bubble packaging, there are 2 spikes so that you can stake them in the ground, and there's a protective film on each solar panel which you have to remove before using. Now let's see its construction. It's crafted from a combination of heavy-duty stainless steel and ABS material. The stainless steel part is shiny and makes it look beautiful. Combined with the solar panel and the circular arrangement of LEDs, these disc lights do look attractive. Other than that, the ABS construction is also durable, and we had no problem with its plasticky appearance because that was noticeable when installed on the ground. On the back of the disc-shaped light, we found the on and off switch. The switch has some protection so that water or mud can't get inside. Their shell design is of high quality. You don't need to worry about the shell damage even after prolonged use. Plus, they have fall prevention, which we tested, and it's true. Alongside that, its IP65 waterproof rating eliminates the probability of light turning off during extreme weather conditions. We thoroughly sprayed water on them, but they kept working just fine. They're pretty lightweight, yet can endure up to 220 pounds of pressure without any problem. Besides, they have a design without any wire. For installation, we use their spikes, install them on the discs, and stake them in the ground. Sometimes, we just switch them on and arrange them on the floor. It's that simple! With 8 high-quality LEDs, the solar ground lights kicked out a whopping beam of 100 lumens for up to 8 hours. And during the daytime, they automatically charge themselves up from the sunlight with the help of the white solar panel. And after they were fully charged, we never ran out of pleasing warm lights while enjoying our nighttime party in the backyards. Even if you turn the switch on, these lights will automatically work when there's insufficient light. Well, let's see some of the specifications. Well, these Puncool solar ground lights can bring an aesthetic appearance to any garden, tent lighting, plant lighting, and lane lighting by providing warm and impressive light and beautifying the surroundings. So that was a review on the Puncool solar ground lights just for you. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.